I am paying around 50,000 for the tuition, and you're paying around what?
$0.
You get a stipend as well. How much is that?
For New Jersey, it's like 2055, which is.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I have a special guest, Terim Arif, and you guys find out in a second why she is a special guest, because she is in Master's Data Science with me, and but I am paying around 50,000 for the tuition, and you're paying around what?
$0.
Zero, and that's why she's a special guest. So let's learn more about her. Terim, can you introduce yourself to the people who are watching?
Yeah, sure. So yeah, I'm a graduate student at Stevens. I'm from Pakistan and currently pursuing my degree in data science on Fulbright scholarship.
Before moving on to the Fulbright thing, could you tell me what your bachelor was like and the school before your bachelor's in Pakistan?
Yeah, so I did my bachelor's in computer systems engineering back in 2020, and would like to mention here that I was like a very good student back there as well. I was a silver medalist of my batch,
Oh,
and yeah,
that's great. I
so
didn't know that.
so new information for you as
हाँ.
well. So yeah,
Okay. And 12th में कितने थे?
um, it was like
Okay.
87.6% in
So
my
हमारे
intermediate.
India में it's like after 10th you choose a stream which is commerce, science, arts.
Mm-hmm.
Is it like
Yeah,
that in
yeah.
Pakistan
So
as well?
Pakistan, it's the same in Pakistan as well. So
Mm-hmm.
I did my matriculation with science general,
Oh, okay.
and then in inter, or what do we call it, 11th grade or 12th grade, I choose pre-engineering as my
Right.
stream. So that.
Could you tell me about the exams that you gave? How was the overall experience back in Pakistan of applying to an international university?
So I'd just like to elaborate more about the Fulbright process. So I am here on Fulbright scholarship.
That's why
It's
I called you.
kind of yeah, that's why I'm a special guest. So it's kind of different from directly applying to universities. We used to like. I am here for the 2023 cohort, so I did apply for Fulbright in 2022, like
Hmm.
May 2022. The Fulbright process, in that process, we can provide them our preferred universities, but they apply to universities on our behalf based on
ओ
our
मतलब
profile
आपको नहीं
or
करना.
no. So we just provide them our preferences, like where we want to go and the departments, and our if our profile aligns with their
अच्छा.
their judgment, they can place they can apply to those schools on our behalf. So
Okay.
so in my admission plan there were four universities: Columbia University,
Hmm.
Carnegie Mellon University,
CMU.
um, New York University,
Right.
and Stevens Institute of
सारी
Technology.
ईस्टर्न ही है.
Yes, all of them are,
Right.
these were all my preferences. And then I got admission in NYU
हाँ.
and Stevens, but Fulbright decided to place me in Stevens, so here I am pursuing a degree here.
तो एक सेकंड, मतलब you don't get to choose the
No, so
universities you're applying and going.
no,
Why
we
were you
cannot.
placed in Stevens and not NYU?
So Fulbright has their own, decision process, and in the very beginning, we have to, sign a bond with them, kind of, that we will accept what they will choose for us. So
ये
yeah,
अच्छी बात नहीं है.
this is
ये
not a
अच्छी
very
बात नहीं
good
है.
thing, but their criteria is basically mostly based on cost sharing. So if
Cost sharing.
yeah, so if a university has given me admission but has not provided me any scholarship,
Mm-hmm.
so it's more expensive for Fulbright to place me over
Right.
there. Whereas if a university has given me approximately 50 to 60% scholarship, it's more beneficial for Fulbright to
अच्छा.
place me here. So Stevens did give me a scholarship of around $18,000. So yeah,
80
no, $18,000
per.
for 2 semesters, like
Right.
scholarship for 2 semesters.
Right. Okay. So मतलब it's like you apply through Fulbright
Yeah,
scholars, then you get admission,
yeah.
and फिर कोई एज होती है क्या अप्लाइंग एंड फुल ब्राइट लाइक फुल ब्राइट प्रोग्राम, या नहीं होती? लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट ओवर अदर
Um,
स्टूडेंट्स जैसे नॉर्मली अप्लाई करते
I
हैं?
think the selection criteria of Fulbright is also very competitive. Like from all over Pakistan, I think there were 130 students
Mm-hmm.
which got selected for masters, and very few students that got selected in the STEM programs, like
STEM, right?
STEM programs, right?
Which is what you want
So
these days.
yeah, so the overall selection criteria of Fulbright is competitive, and I'm not very sure about it, but we got placed into university through IIE, and they mentioned to us that they have, good reputation in US schools, so the schools are willing to give admissions to, Fulbright, to the people who got selected by Fulbright.
Uh,
So yeah,
right. Okay.
I think it gave us an edge over
Hmm.
other
Right.
applicants.
Um, can any student enroll into Fulbright? मतलब
Yeah.
is he or she eligible or not? क्या कुछ special clause होते हैं?
So for Fulbright is a meritorious scholarship.
Mm-hmm.
You need to, like, it's not written, but you need to have certain good GPA
Right.
to secure Fulbright, and also GRE score matters a lot in Fulbright. Fulbright is not just about having a very good academic profile.
Okay.
It's a cultural exchange program, and we are people from Pakistan who are here to promote and share the culture of Pakistan with the local host community.
Right.
So we serve, dual purpose. We want to excel in our fields, as
Mm-hmm.
well as we want to highlight the good image of our country in US, and we want to learn about the US culture and promote that good things about US culture when we return to our home country.
Okay.
So Fulbright also, focuses on how you plan to work in your home country after pursuing a degree here. How will you be beneficial for your home country, and how will you improve the relationships between the two countries? So
Okay.
it's a bigger cause.
Right.
Yeah.
So, do you know if Fulbright is a Pakistan thing? If it's all over the world?
No, it's like a very big program. It's like
Very क्या?
very large
Oh,
program
okay.
that includes a whole lot of countries. As far as I know, there can be a mistake. There are almost 140 countries that have Fulbright.
You just said that you met scholars from India as well.
Yeah, I have
आए
met
हैं यहाँ पे
scholars from
students?
India.
Like,
Yeah,
oh wow.
and not in Stevens, but I have met a lot of people in New
Different
York
universities.
City. Yeah,
Right. देख लो
there
guys.
are
I
scholars
mean,
from a lot of different countries.
okay.
I don't even know the name of
हाँ,
countries.
right. Like when I was applying, मैं जब खुद अप्लाई कर रहा था for my international studies, मुझे लगा था कि मेरे पास काफ़ी सारी नॉलेज है कि like I know everything कि ऐसे ऐसे ही एडमिशन मिलता है, बट यहाँ पे आने के बाद like when I met you, when I spoke to you, I got to know कि यार Fulbright भी एक चीज़ होती है. And yeah, that's it guys. I think you should, wherever you are, आप लोग भी देखो, find programs like these. If you can find one, it's good only. I think you mentioned that you get a stipend as well. How much is that if you're comfortable?
So uh, so the Department of States decided this stipend based on the living expenses in a state. So for
Uh-huh.
New Jersey, it's like 2,055, which is very reasonable
Per
stipend per month.
per month.
Yeah,
That is crazy actually.
yeah, that's very good stipend, and yeah, I mean,
In 2055, if you are a student, if you live in Jersey, 99% everything should be covered. I
yeah,
mean, basically, जो major expenses होता है which people face here is rent only.
yeah.
मतलब she lives in New York, I live in Jersey. What's your rent?
My rent is almost equal to my stipend. It's like 2,000. But
2K.
I live in downtown Manhattan, the
Right,
most
exactly.
expensive borough of New York.
Exactly.
So
My rent is like 1,000 and I live in a studio. So, like if she lived in Jersey, I'm sure you could survive on that stipend only.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's it's very good stipend, and in addition to a stipend, you also get like settling allowance when you came here. You
Settling allowance.
settling allowance, yeah. You also get money for books per semester,
हाँ, कोई बुक्स लेनी जरूरी
approximately.
नहीं होती, ठीक है?
Uh,
कोई बुक्स नहीं बाय करता, इट्स ऑल पीडीएफ.
approximately $500 for books,
ओह
and
वाओ.
you got some fund for buying a laptop, approximately
वाह.
$2,000. So
2K
it
for buying a laptop.
yes,
Okay.
so it's
And do you have to show the expenses to them?
no, it's just they transfer it to our account
बस
when we
दे
came
देता है.
here. It's on us if we want to buy a phone or if we want to buy a laptop.
वाओ.
It's on us. Or if you want to save that amount for traveling and all that.
वीजा
So
का सीन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. यहाँ पे नई चीज स्टार्ट हो रही है कि कंपनीज डू नॉट वांट टू स्पॉन्सर वीजा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे डोंट टेक पीपल हु आर स्टूडेंट्स फॉर देयर इंटर्नशिप एंड जॉब्स. बहुत सारे कंपनीज में यू गेट रिजेक्टेड एज वेल फॉर दैट. Which
mhm.
is the, like, I come on an F1 student, which is the visa type that Fulbright comes on?
So our visa is like J1, cultural exchange visitor visa. So
J1.
our visa is sponsored by Fulbright.
Mhm.
So when we do apply to companies, we don't have to say that we require sponsorship
मैं
as
भी
of
नहीं
now.
करता.
But
I just
but
said no
still,
कि
but
I don't
still,
want
I'm getting a lot
sponsorship.
of rejections. I'm not sure, is it because of the profile you have, or is
Mhm.
it because of the competition in the market, or is it because they are asking for interns, but in actual they want experienced people.
Right.
So I'm not
बहुत कुछ
sure what
mixed है, I
exactly
know.
is happening, but बाहर से हमें लग रहा है ऐसे कि बेतहाशा rejections ही rejections हैं,
Rejections, rejections है.
and we are so used to
Every
of
day
it
you,
now.
हाँ, every
God,
day you wake
do
up,
you
you see
wake up,
rejection
you
email.
saw
अब
your
तो
email,
हाँ.
one or two rejections over there, and now you have lost track of the rejections as well.
You said that you're on a J1.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Like, हमारे यूजुअली F1 में इट्स लाइक 5 years ऑफ वीज़ा. उसके बाद यू होप टू गेट एन H1. आई डोंट वांट, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ वापस, मेरा डिसाइडेड है. व्हाट्स इन J1 एंड व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स फॉर द फ्यूचर आफ्टर
Um,
ग्रेजुएशन?
So when you come on J1 visa, you know that you have to, go back. It's a cultural exchange visitor visa, and you have got 2 years of residency requirement. So
ओके.
जब आप J1 visa पे आते हैं, तो you, as soon as your program completed, your service got deactivated, and you have 30 days of period to, go back. And then Pakistan. So I'm from Pakistan. So Pakistan jaake, you have to serve your country for 2 years. You will be serving. I'm not sure how at the moment, but
मतलब कंपलसरी यू हैव टू गो.
yes. So I we have to go. That's for sure thing. Like 99% people, 99.99% people go back.
अच्छा, ओके.
0.001%, I don't know if they stay over here, but people do go back. They have to. Then they have to serve the country for 2 years. That's a Fulbright clause, that we have to serve our country. What's the visa clause is, we have to fulfill 2 years of residency.
ओके.
तो अगर हम 2 साल पाकिस्तान में रह लेते हैं, तो we can come back over here.
ओह.
But again, वो फिर एक पूरा प्रोसेस स्टार्ट से होगा. उसमें पीछे वाली कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है, मतलब
Right.
कंटिन्यूएशन नहीं है.
तो
So we cannot apply for H1B.
अच्छा,
J1
okay.
cannot opt for H1B
Okay.
as of now.
Okay. So it's like
Yeah.
2 years यहाँ पे ग्रेजुएशन खत्म करो, then
Go back.
go back.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. अच्छा ही है
So
यार, आई सपोर्ट. मैं चाहता
so
हूँ
for
लोग पढ़ के जाए
सही है. So
वापस.
it's like Pakistan का ऐसा है कि we have to go back like right after our program completed. There are other countries who do allow people to have post-degree academic training. So PDAT is
Oh,
like
okay.
something for J1 scholars, what J1 scholars got, and they got a time of around 18 months to 2 years to get the relevant field exposure over here, and then they will go back.
Okay.
So which is good.
हाँ, it's
Which
good
is
only.
good. Yeah.
So I think that's it, guys. I'll link our socials, both of us, in the description box. आपको अगर कोई questions है तो you can ask her or me, we can answer them. Yeah, if you want you can comment, we can reply. Thanks for watching.